up, guys? We're back with another. What's up, guys? We're back with another. The setup looks a little bit different because, as y'all guys know, our apartment is not livable right now, so we are in a hotel. The water pipe busted and flooded in our apartment. But anyway, show them your wig. Turn it around so they can see. Look, this way. There you go. It's Ursula. So it's not Little Mermaid. Just to let you know, it's Ursula. How do you say her name? Ursula?
It's a baby.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Shalonda. Remember when she captured Ariel's voice? Yeah, sing. Shalonda, what? Ariel, I'll give you feet. Okay, you gotta take my voice. Ready? Okay, take my voice now. Do you want to take my beautiful singing voice? Ursula, can I sing for you? You don't like that?
But